Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. We also have a problem here involving integers. For those watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Also remember to go back and watch my other videos. Leave a comment and give me what you think. So I have an integer problem here involving BODMAS, addition, subtraction and so on. So I'll take you step by step up to the end. So be on board with me and let's see how it is done. On the solution part, I'll start by the numerator. The numerator is saying that negative 108 divided by 9 minus 4 minus 12. So I'll use the BODMAS approach. So BODMAS tells me that I'll start by opening the brackets. And the bracket that we have here is just negative and negative 12. So operating it, I'll have 108 divided by 9 minus 4 negative times negative 12, that is automatically positive 12. And then from the BODMAS, there is no off or division, but I have division there. So I'm going to divide negative 108 divided by 9. Of course, I'm going to have negative 12. So rewriting it is negative 12 divided minus 4 plus 12. So I'm done with the division part. On the multiplication part, we don't have it. On the addition sign, I'm going to add positive 12 and negative 12. So negative 12 add positive 12. I'm going to have 0. So that's 0, of course. 0 and negative 4. On the subtraction part, 0 minus 4, I just have minus 4 as my answer for the numerator. So guys, we are done with the numerator part of the problem. If you are watching and joining for the first time, kindly subscribe, leave a comment, share. So let us operate the denominator part. I have a very long denominator problem, so it is 4 of, in bracket, a very big bracket, minus 4 plus minus 8 divided by 24, close the bracket, plus minus 3 minus 14 divided by 21. Also here I'll obey the rule of BODMAS, and on the BODMAS part I'll start by operating the bracket, and here I have two bigger brackets, so I'll start with operating the smaller bracket here. That is negative 4 minus plus minus 8 divided by 24. So inside here, I'll start with the division part. There's no off, so the division part, I'll divide negative 8 divided by 24. negative 8. So I have negative 8. If you divide by 24, I'm going to have negative a third. Replacing it here, I'm going to have negative 4 plus negative a third. That gives me negative 4 whole number and a third. On this other end, so on the other end, this side, I have plus minus 3 minus 14 divided by 21. I want to recopy it here. So outside I have 4 of bracket, but what is here, I've gotten it as minus 4 and a third. So plus minus 3 minus 14 divided by 21. Also here, I can decide to follow BODMAS again. I'll start by division. If I divide minus 14 divided by 21, I'll get negative 2 all over 3. Add it to negative 3, then I'll have minus 3 minus 2 over 3. Then I'll find negative 2 and a third. So replacing it here, I'll have minus 4 and a third plus minus this one, 2 over 3. Remember outside I have 4. So when you add negative 4 and a third, add negative 3 and 2 over 3, I'm going to get negative 8. So off means multiplication, and that means my denominator, the solution is negative 32. But on the numerator, my solution was negative 4. So dividing the 2, then it is negative 4. I'll divide by the denominator, which is negative 32. And when you divide it, negative and negative goes, and then I'll remain with 1 all over 8 as my solution for the problem, an integer problem which was here, where you are required to evaluate without using a calculator. So guys, I'm happy we have come to the end of our session here, and we have realized that our answer is 1 over 8. So you can share this content, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Remember to subscribe. I have a playlist. You can watch amongst my videos. Watch and tell me what you think. So until we meet again, I'm glad to have you. You can ask and share with me what you think. Once again, I'm happy to have you on board. Let's meet again next time. Thank you.